Okay, bro. I'm on Fxreplay now. Because chart champs is just fucking dog shit. And I'm not trying to trade in some bullshit chop, bro, so. Whoa. Okay. Alright. It's on the daily. Bearish. Huge bearish gap. Holding. 4 hour. Yeah. It's 4 hour low. We inverse this bullish gap. But we're also inversing that bearish gap. We'll probably seek out highs. Overall, we're in bearish structure though. Yeah. Inverse to 1 hour bullish gap. So I'm going to look for shorts. A 4 hour low there. So we're retracing on the lower time frames. Okay, really good bearish displacement. They don't have a 2 minute? Oh, come on, bro. Wow, hiding it behind a paywall. How fucking cool. Nice. Alright, we'll use the 3 minute then. Bearish displacement down, clearing 2 fair value gaps. Yeah, fuck off, bro. Not paying for fucking time frames. You out of your fucking mind. Respected that bearish gap. There is low resting liquidity. Let's go short. Okay. Wait, is there like... Hold on. Is there any way to make this easier for me? Okay. Oi, oi. Why am I 50,000 lots? Oy vey, bro.
Wait, what the fuck am I looking at? Hold on. Well, this sucks. It's 2,000 kicks. Hey, hey. Wait, show me how. What the fuck? Add a position to the chart, then click place order to pre-fill your trade details. Well, I did add a position. Show me how, bro. Okay, wait. Select place order. Oh, okay. And then my position size. Oh, I want to risk 2%. Oh, bet, bro. Oh, wait, no. Am I in? Okay. Fuck off, bro. I guess, bro. I guess. I am so fucking tilted right now. Can't escape the fucking chop even on Fxreplay. God, this is a universe. Oh, yo, what the hell? It takes forever. Am I on EST? I fucking better be, bro. Oh, no, it's... Oh my god, this is my problem. Put me... New York. Okay, yeah, so I would have just fucking traded at 4 in the morning. What the hell? Okay. It's 9:29. UTC 4. Let's just make sure. UTC -4. Yeah. Eastern time. Okay. So, okay, I was trading in chop. I was trading in the pre-market. I thought it was the correct time. That's my fucking problem. Now I say that, but if I take a fucking losing trade here, I'm gonna look like a dick. We're retracing once again. Wow, this makes a whole lot more fucking sense now that the times actually line up. Inverse and hourly again. We have all these stacked lows. But we're still in bearish structure. We're just retracing. So is this where Asia starts? So that's these are our Asia lows. And we just swept our high. It includes the London high. That I'm going to click that impulsively. Okay. Okay. Liquidity sweep. If I didn't say already, I'm bearish. Yeah. Was I right to be bearish? I fucking hope so. Okay. We displaced through a 5-minute fair value gap. Tapping into a 1-minute fair value gap. Respected. Shorts. Boom. Where do we go? Our pre-market lows. Where do I put my stop? The 1 minute's not really giving me anything. I'll put it above the high. Yes. I am becoming liquidity. Boom. Do not stop me out, bro. That's a bit weird, I will say. Is this the fake out from the first version that I've talked about before? Why are we inversing that, bro? Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Maybe I shouldn't have re-entered after I saw that my IFVG was totally invalid. I'm taking stupid trades right now. It's 11. Give me out, bro. Break even. Okay. Alright, now I fucking understand how this crap works. Hold on. Bro, I haven't taken a winning backtesting trade in a while. It's low-key embarrassing, but okay. My overall bias was just wrong though too. We never hit that. We never hit our Asia lows, which is a little weird. Not only did we pump without taking them, but came down and didn't take. Okay. From what I've seen, we're pretty bullish. Yep, bullish. We're inside a daily gap though, bro. Alright, it's a little hard to determine my bias here. So these are fib. What is this ugly piece of junk? No. No, 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 no. No background. Okay, there. So, in equilibrium, we're in this daily gap, but we're also in a 4-hour gap, but we're showing bullish momentum. So this is the hard thing, bro. Do I want to see price come down, respect these bearish gaps, and come down, be attracted by this 4-hour gap? Or do I want to keep riding this bullish movement up, ride this trend, even though we are inside multiple bearish gaps? That's kind of a problem. We're getting a little V here. I might have to be bullish unless I get proven wrong, bro. Because honestly, like, you left these lows here. We're respecting. We're okay. We are respecting all of these bullish gaps. So I'm gonna look for a long, which I will. Okay. Break structure up. What time is it? Now we're just kind of floating around. Why are we leaving? What the heck? Do we have anything? A gap. We tapped a gap. We tapped our 15-minute gap. And we got a really strong rejection. I don't have to target. Hold on. Have an hourly high here. Scale down a bit. That's about it. So, got that hourly high to target. Entering off the 15-minute inversion or fair value gap, getting respected in this 1-minute inversion. I have been holding this shit forever. I am embarrassing myself. I am embarrassing myself. I don't know why I'm doing that. I don't know why I'm holding past 11. I am embarrassing myself. And my bias was wrong too, because we continue bearish. Okay, I'm really getting fucked. Okay, the overnight session didn't do a lot. That's good. On our daily, we're getting the rejection off this daily gap. 4 hour, same. 1 hour, same. I don't like. We're okay. Now we're just chopping. We're not respecting any gaps. Previous day high up here. So we wick really fucking hard off this 15-minute gap. We're inside two different gaps, with one being bearish and one being bullish. And we're respecting both of them. How am I don't know how I'm saying that. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit better. We're displacing through these 1 minute gaps. Jeez, okay, okay, we displaced. Oh, I could have entered off the displacing through that. And our 30-minute gap. So it's gonna be hard to fucking find an entry. Okay. We have a tiny gap here that got respected. That is still our. Is that a 1 hour, 4 hour per value gap? Keep dumping. Keep dumping. Keep dumping. I don't like seeing that V shape. What do we take? Okay, we reject off that 5 minute gap. That's clutch. That is clutch. And we keep dumping. What time is it? 10:36. Boom. Okay. Finally a good trade. Okay. Why did I enter? Boom. Displaced through a 30-minute gap. 15-minute. We took out some of this pre-market liquidity here. I mean, over, yeah. We had my draw, which was, is this a 4 hour gap? Yeah, 4 hour gap. We also had 4 hour lows, obviously. And then we're in this 4 hour bearish gap, 1 hour bearish gap. Saw rejections off of it. Not respecting bullish gaps any longer. Boom, bro. Holy dump. I want to see what it does, though. Boom, we just plowed through that gap. Okay. I'm at another 1 hour. daily. Okay. So we're back to being bearish. We went through our retracement. And when we got into EQ, we got into this daily bearish gap. So I'll get rid of that. I don't know what that is. That's probably a 4-hour, 1-hour low. But we do have stacked up daily lows right here and here. Even here too. It's a little far though. Yeah, hourly lows. There's no high time frame bullish gaps standing in the way of a bearish move. Except for this super tiny guy. We have a lot of stacked up lows here. Overall, we're bearish. Tap this 30-minute gap. Is there an hourly one there? Yes. We're inside bearish gaps. Retracing on the lower time frames, but I don't mind because all that does is produce this low resting liquidity. And so I'll look for this, our liquidity sweep upwards, but I don't know if we're gonna actually get up any farther. Displace through this gap on the 1 minute. I don't want to take the first inversion because we're kind of crawling our way up here. We did? No, we didn't. Okay, never mind. A little choppy off market open. Crawled our way through that gap. We are very choppy right now. So unless I see a breakout and some gaps start getting respected, then I can't really trade. We did just sweep some of this pre-market liquidity. Okay. I do like to see that. Now we have to inverse these little tiny 1 minute gaps. I don't like that we're wicking through them at first though. But we're still inversing them. Let me see. We did re-enter a 1 hour gap and reject off it, as well as a 30. So we respected the 30 and 15 minute gaps. Okay, we displaced down. Time is at 10:10. Displacing further down on this. I want to wait. Let's get this 15-minute candle closure. Boom. Displace through the 15-minute gap. I'm looking for entries. IFBG on the 1 minute. Combined with this 15-minute displacement through fair value gap, as well as this 30-minute displacement through a fair value gap. Looking for a continuation of this little dump here. Shorts. Targeting these stacked lows. I stop at the high there for a 1.77. Here, I want to. Okay. Oh, okay, hold on. Boom. Save. And then I just get displaced through. Okay. Maybe I probably should have waited for that 5 minutes to get tapped. Because that's what it's doing. Okay, that is a bit my fault because I shouldn't have took a trade in this. Not a lot of movement in the overnight. Asia and London. Still bearish. Bearish chop. Bearish structure on the 4. There is an unfilled 4-hour gap. It's bearish. You can see us drawing up to that and then displacing lower. It's also these highs up here. I'll know that those get hit if we go up to our gap though. No 1-hour gaps to be afraid of, or 4-hour gaps. Kind of wicking hard there. We're still choppy though. We're really badly chopping. The only way I take a trade is if we can displace into this, or well, if we displace higher and take out liquidity. Obviously I want to see our gap get hit, but if we can displace higher and then get a reversal and confirm our bearish order flow, then that's how I'll take a trade, because I want to go shorts. What the hell? Why did it go from... Why do we just skip Thursday? Okay. We are not moving at all. Now we are. Still bearish. Need to see these lows get took, bro. Bear. Bear. Okay, so we're going through a retracement, but we're bearish on all the time frames. Broke structure lower. We got our 15-minute candle closure. We're bearish. We're respecting our 15-minute gap. 30. For an entry. Five-minute tap. Dump. We're just gonna keep going. Oof. I'm close to my 4-hour lows already. Well, that's not ideal. But if I want to have good RR on this trade, I have to have my stop fucking choking me. Not really ideal. I mean, I can't have my stop choking up on me like that. But at the same time, bro, we're did just take a 4-hour low. Boom, okay. Yeah, taking the 4-hour low didn't matter because we're bearish anyway, so we shouldn't be delivering off of getting that buy side. Or is that's sell side liquidity. Yeah. That's sell side 4-hour low. Okay. It is Friday. Well, I finished with $700 profit because I took a couple stupid trades. Whoa. Okay. How do I not do that? New York. 7. Oof. So 3 wins and 4 losses, but I'm up. My winners. Winners being better than my losers is good. Yeah, bro, see? Because I took those fucking London trades, see? Okay, well. Bro, now, I didn't realize Fxreplay was so good. It's way better than Shark Champs, bro. So expect more Fxreplay videos, bro, because... Here, wait. Well, I don't know what the fuck is ND? Session type. Date, time. The heck? I don't know what that means. Is that my... Oh, yeah, that's... Is there a way to... Here. 9:30. 9:30. Oh, dude, come on. 2. I'm a dummy. I can just put it to 10. 9:30 to 11. Wow. Okay, so I was 50-50 on the trades that I actually took during the times I'm supposed to be trading. Alright, and now I know how this shit works. I understand it now, bro. I like this a lot, bro. This is a nice platform. Well, okay. Shitty ass Shark Champs, bro. I'm done with that crap. Well, it's still my day 1, but hell, I am not using that anymore, bro. So, overall, nice. Pretty nice. Yeah. See y'all tomorrow.